I am currently watching all my Vlogmas videos that all my favorite YouTubers have uploaded. This one is Samantha Jo. She does a lot of good videos. I recommend her channel. But yes, I am watching a lot of Vlogmas videos right now. Today is December 1st, and also today is my sister's 21st birthday. So my sister and my family are going to celebrate her birthday on Sunday, which is the 3rd. And then I am going to go with my sister tomorrow to an art fair, which is going to be really fun because we like going to a lot of these art fairs, a lot of these festivals this year. So it's been pretty fun going to them. Also, I got some of my peppermint, peppermint mocha coffee. It tastes really good, to be honest. It tastes more like coffee than I usually get because I usually get a lot of stuff in it, a lot of creamer, a lot of sugar. The brand that I got tastes a lot more like coffee. So yesterday I was going through my old computer. Really nostalgic, to be honest. I was going through a lot of my pictures and photos from 2007 and 2006. By the way, 2006 I was 5 years old. 2007 I was 6. So a lot of the pictures that I was looking at was taken by my mom and my dad. So I have to say, if you got an old computer like this that doesn't work on internet like mine, this does not work with internet. It doesn't even hook up to the internet. So all I use it for is writing and pictures. So this is the only computer I just go to look at old pictures. That's what I was doing last night while I was planning Vlogmas also. I am currently watching a bunch of Vlogmas videos right now from my favorite YouTube creators. And that's probably what I'm gonna do all day. And yeah, it's a cloudy day today. It's very cloudy. It's very cold. I am enjoying this weather. Yesterday it rained all day and I drove in the rain to town yesterday and picked up a few things from Walmart. I got some coffee. I got some Christmas soaps. This one's Cozy Comfort, and then I got another one that was Winter Solace from Walmart. And then I got a few Alani's because my sister got me into them. So I got a cherry slush, and then I got another flavor that I drank last night on my table. Time has gone by so fast that this year has gone by really fast. My mom told me when I turned 20 in 2021, she said that in your 20s will go by really fast. And I have to say that's true. I'm gonna be 23 in less than a month, in January 11th. So time has gone by so fast. It is already Vlogmas. I'm excited about this time of the year. I love Christmas. I love just videoing and filming and editing for this time of the year. As any other time of the year, I love filming and editing. But my mom was right. Time goes by really fast. And it feels like it was January, just like yesterday when I was going to the museum and doing a lot of things on my birthday this year for my 22nd birthday, which was my Taylor Swift year. But yes, this time of year has gone by really fast, and I'm just really excited about next year. I'm really excited for 2024, really excited about what next year will have, and so I'm just really excited. I'm really excited to get into a new year. I'm really excited to see what it holds next year. Also, I'm really excited about getting into spring and summer. You might not have thought you might hear that from me, even though I love fall and winter. I also like spring and summer. I love every time of the year, to be honest. I don't like the really hot weather. I don't like the 100-degree weather, but I do like a little warm weather. And also when the leaves get on the trees and they start looking really bright green. It is my favorite time of the year. Also like the time of the year when it rains a lot, so that's also my favorite time of the year, which is spring and getting into summer. But yeah, I can't wait till 2024 and seeing what 2024 has. There's a lot of goals that I have for 2024, but that'll be in a different video. My sister and I are on our way to the art fair right now. It's a Christmas art fair, but before we go to the art fair, we're gonna go and take some pictures at this beautiful mural, I have to say. It's the one that I have showed you guys in the 4th Vlogmas video, but we're just gonna go take some more pictures over there, and then we're gonna head over to the art fair afterwards. Also got me a Alani right here. It is Breeze Berry Alani. Every time I go to Walmart and get an Alani, I try to get a new flavor, and this one just wasn't my favorite. It was just really sour. It is drizzling a little bit, but we're gonna try to go get a picture before it starts raining right now. And it's just really cloudy weather. Great weather, actually.